Hi friends, I'm excited to show you this smart moonlight that I just received today. This is a special light if you are an eyelash beauty makeup artist or tattoo artist. This can be so functional for you. Looks like that. And let's go on it. So let me show you how it works. This is a user manual. And came with all these parts. This is a lamp part. Let's go see the manual. So, this is the way that you can use your light in your table. As you can see, this is resistant, don't move. You can move this part easy, and then you just put the charger that came with your box here, and in the electrical energy. So here is a control that is rose gold. I love that color. And with this button, you can use your light. As you can see, the light in this moment is warm, but you can change to a cool light, and you can adjust the intensity of the light too. These are all the types of light that your lamp has, and this is the intensity that you can use with your lamp. All this using this control that came with your cable. So I'm gonna turn it on now to show you how to use your lamp in her base. As you can see, I put the cable right here inside the tubes. That's because have little accessories to put the cable, so you can look make it look more cleaner, beautiful your lamp because it's no cables in it. So now we're gonna put this other accessory that is for your phone. So you put it here in this part of your lamp. You can adjust it with this, and you can put this base and this can adjust to your cell phone this way, so you can record all the things that you need with your lamp. Just put it here. And as you can see, use it is so easy. I highly recommend it for all your works. See you.